Hello, welcome to How to Office, where I show you quick fixes, neat tricks, and advanced features on Word and Docs that saves you time and gives you a polished document. In today's episode, we're going to explore how to create a table of content and how to customize it for your reports or documents. So when you have your H1, H2 and other tags in place, just simply head over to where you want to place the table of content. For me, it's right after the title, and the table of content should be on a clean page. So I would just add a page break and start on a clean page. In Microsoft Word, go to the References tab. Here you can see the table of contents and select from a template that is already there. Voila, the table of content is created. Now you can also change how the table of content appears. Go into the custom table of contents. So you can either hyperlink the headings or create a dotted line, and then when you click on yes. Also remember, if you change something in your document, the table of content will also need a refresh. For example, you see we have asterisks before figure 1 and table 1. So let's say you remove the asterisk and change this heading. If you go back here, it's still the older one. So you have to now update the table. If you select page numbers only, so only the pages will be changed. Sometimes you add some more content and the page number changes, right? But if you select the entire table, there you go. Always remember to update your table of contents before sharing it with anyone, so that your document does not have a wrong table of content that doesn't match. It's easier on Google Docs. So to insert your table of content, simply place your cursor where you want it, go to Insert, Page Elements, and select the table of contents. Now there are three templates. One is hyperlink, one is dotted lines towards the page number, and the other is plain text. So with the headline and the page number, there is no connecting dots. Let's go with the second one. There you have it. Also notice that if you want something included in the table of content, you must add a heading to it, otherwise it will not show up. For example, if we want this text to be in the table of content, I'll go select a heading and then have to update this one. We have it in now.